Hello everyone and welcome to your 10th Adobe Photoshop tutorial, Rulers and Guides. In this tutorial, we will learn what are rulers and guides and we will learn how to use them efficiently. So let's start. Rulers and guides basically help us to work in a more precise manner as they give the exact values on what we will be working on. To open the rulers, press Ctrl plus R on your keyboard and it will bring up the rulers over here. Now wherever you put your mouse, you can see a dotted line on left and the top. You can see it clearly here. So these dotted lines indicate where your mouse is currently. So this helps in precisely positioning the elements or any image or anything that you want without the hesitation of being wrong. If you want more, you can just click over here, drag, and you can leave a line at this place. Now this line is called the guides. You can bring these lines at the values that you want. Like so, and now you can work as precisely as you want in your canvas. You can put them as you like or as you need. If you want to work precisely on a certain area, you can bring them even closer and you can work over where you want. You can just drag them, move them out of screen, and they will be gone from here. Or you can just press Ctrl plus H on your keyboard and then it will hide all the guides. To bring them back, you can press Ctrl plus H again. So for example, if you want to type anything and you want it to be precise, select the type tool over here. Select the guides where you want them to be so that you can position your text correctly. Left click and write anything you want. Now whenever you move any object close to any guides, they will snap to it, as you can see. So if you want, you can use them as guides and then it will be very easy for you to navigate or position them to any place. So guys, that's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.